Hey everyone, I'm nice and sweaty. This is my second time filming this video, so I'm really excited to get this going for you guys. We are going to be doing some resistance band training. Resistance band training is amazing for complementing your yoga practice, as well as, of course, just taking care of your body and promoting fitness and keeping your super important muscles strong. So today's practice as if we're doing yoga. This video is going to be targeting the glutes, the hamstrings, and the outer hips. This would be an amazing video to do before a yoga practice, before a run, a bike ride, before really any fitness where you want to make sure that you're not being quad dominant. So I have 3 resistance bands here. I'll be honest, I'm probably not going to be using the really tough one at all for today. I have these ones from Walito. These are just from Amazon. So I'm using the blue and the pink one today. We're gonna start with a quick warm up and then we're gonna get into the moves. I'm gonna switch to a voiceover so that you can go through this practice 3 times because it's not a lot of moves. And that will be like your full booty and hip workout. And you can do this a couple times a week and really enjoy the results. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting at the top of your mat for some jumping jacks is a warm-up, going for 1 minute and begin. Seconds. Grab a sip of water, maybe pause the video, take a break. Grab your heavier resistance band that you're using for the day, bring it around your upper thighs, get into a squat. Side steps, step to the right, to the left, to the right, and the left. Try and keep the knees from buckling in. Start to take narrower stances if your muscles are getting tired. Take a break, maybe pause the video, grab a sip of water. Similar move, but we're going to be stepping forward and back across our mat. So start at the back of your mat, squat low. Step right, left, right, left, left, right, left, right. Good forward, right, left, and back, left, right, right. lighter resistance band option. This is my lightest one. Bring it over your mid-thighs. We're going to do squat side kicks. Ready? And squat, stand, left leg out. Squat, stand, right leg out. Squat, left, squat, right. As you squat, make sure you're pressing your legs out into the strap. Remembering as you stand, lift that leg and try not to lean too much. Try and keep your standing side body as straight as you can.
To the next level.
Last one. And done. Take a break or pause the video. Lay onto your left side and rest your head into your hand. Bring your knees in line with your hips. Good. Moving into clamshells, lift your feet up hip height and lift your top knee and lower. Lift and lower. Super simple, classic move. Also, option to keep your feet down onto the mat as I'm showing here. It's a great option if you're feeling a little bit more tired. I find that I get a lot more out of this move though when I keep the feet lifted. Core nice and tight here, pelvis stable, really focusing on lifting that outer hip. Three, two, one, and rest. And let's switch sides. Moving to your left side, rest your head into your hand, knees around the hips. Lift your feet and begin. Press that outer leg into the strap. You can always slow down. The reason I'm not counting reps is so you can go at your own pace and you can rest when you need. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Using the same strap, we're going to come onto our backs into a bridge position. Press into the heels, lift the hips. And bring the knees wide, together, wide, together, wide, together, wide, and together. Rolling to the knife edges of the feet, keeping the feet flexed so that you're not rolling the ankles. Do your best to keep your hips exactly where they are. They might shift a little bit, but do your best to keep them in place. Sit down, hug the thighs into your chest, take a break. Moving to our fire hydrants, come into tabletop. Bring your strap about mid-thigh. We're gonna start with the left side. Ready? Begin. Hover the knee and lift. Hover, lift, hover, and lift. Try your best to keep your low back stable. Try not to lift and hike the hip up towards the sky or over to the right. Doing your best to keep your pelvis level and just letting that rotation come from the strength of your outer hips. It's better to go slow and feel the full range of the movement available to you. You're done. Take a break, child's pose. Moving to the other side. Come into quadruped, knees under the hips, strap mid-thigh. Ready? Begin. Remembering it's better to go slow and really push that movement than to go too fast. Three, two, one, and rest. Child's pose. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today for this high intensity resistance band workout. If you're just doing this as a warm-up, end it here. If you want this to be your entire exercise for the day, go ahead and redo this maybe 1 or 2 more times. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you want more videos like this, let me know, and I'll see you next time. Bye.